on question number 2, we are graphing the line y is equal to negative 7 over 2 times x plus 7. So the y-intercept is 7 and the slope is negative 7 over 2. So the first point that I'm going to graph is 0, 7, and then my slope is negative 7 over 2. So to navigate to my next point, I need to go down 7 and to the right 2. So down 7 and to the right 2. So that will be my second point. And then I can get a third point if I go down 7 and to the right 2. So connecting my points, this would be my line. Now let's graph this line on the calculator. So I want to press the y equals button, which will take me to the y equals menu. And then I want to type in the equation of my line in y1. So negative 7 divided by 2 times x plus 7. Again, the x key is right here. And then I want to press graph. So I don't need to press zoom standard like I did for number 1, because it should already be in the negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10 window. So this is my graph, and as you can see, it crosses the y-axis at 7 and the x-axis at 2. So it is consistent with our graph.